Welcome to the tip of the week. This week's topic is accent important data during a Google slide presentation.
Remember the days when presenters bought a tool called a laser pointer to highlight important information in the slideshow? Then, as technology advanced and the presentations were cast to an LCD or LED screen, the laser pointer became almost useless because it was invisible on the screen. Welcome to Google Slides. Google has a built-in laser pointer in their Slides app. You will not find it in the ribbon. Most people do not even know it exists. It is very easy to turn on and off. In fact, all that you have to remember is the letter L for laser. It's that easy. Press L to turn on and L again on your keyboard to turn off. L, turn on, L, turn off. Remember, work smarter, not harder.
Do you have questions about using Google Workspace? There are several resources available. The links and contact information are listed here.